got this guy sitting in saltwater ice slurry, gutted, which I'd normally fill it before I gut, but when I'm going to keep it in the Eskian slurry, you don't want the gut in there. You want it out as quick as you can get it. So just going to fill it this bad boy. It's handy because I'm going to keep everything for a fish stock. So I'm going to take that head, add it to that. A lot of people waste that. That's going to make an awesome fish stock. Really good for you. Some really good meat and bone marrow, etc. in there. But I'm going to get this the pearls out of this head before I add that head to it. So I will film that if you want to see it, how to get the pearls out off a Mulloway head. In with the fish stock. I might even, once she's done, I might even keep those jaws. So here's the fish stock. I've just got that on fairly high heat at the moment, just to bring that water to a boil. It's about to boil now, so just going to chuck in a little bit of white wine, just for a little bit of flavour. Some whole peppercorns. Some mixed herbs. And some seasonal lemon, herb and garlic. And just a little bit of garlic I just cut up in half. And that's about it really. I'm going to let that turn that heat right down now to a smooth simmer. And then I'll probably come back in about half hour just to take any gunk that might have formed off from the top. And then I'll put that lid back on after that and let it simmer for about, on very low heat, for about an hour, hour and a half. So unlike your other stocks like lamb and beef, etc., where you can you pretty much simmer them for 24 hours, say, fish you don't really need to do that, and it just ruins the flavour. And I think you get all your goodness out of this after an hour or so anyway, so there's no point really going all day with it. Then yeah, once I'm done, I'll filter that out. I'll pick all the meat out and keep that with the stock. And usually I just put it on some Asian noodles and a bit of salt and pepper on top, and yeah, it's beautiful. So I'll come back to this in about half hour. Now I'll turn the heat right down, put that lid on, turn that heat right down, do a simmer, and I'll get back. It's been simmering for about an hour and 20 minutes. Looking pretty good. So I want to turn that off now, let it rest for a bit, and I'll strain it all out. Yeah. Okay, now that's settled, I'm just going to take off some of this stuff from the top. There you go. Looks pretty good. We'll get rid of this lot, and we'll get straight on. So now I've got to gently, very gently, try not to disturb this too much while I pick out the fish. Little portion with some Chinese noodles, a little bit of salt and pepper to go on top.